Today, I'm sharing tips on how to use your time wisely. Whether you're growing a YouTube channel, or you're managing a business, or you're just looking for ways to be more productive, these tips will help you a whole lot to manage your time effectively. So if you're ready, let's get started. The first one is the importance of time management. Time is one of the most valuable resources that we have. We can get money back, we can get material things back, but any time that is not well spent can never be gotten back. So that's why it's important to manage our time wisely. So when you use your time effectively, you are investing in your dreams, in your goals, and even in your future. Another point is setting clear goals. The first step to using your time wisely is setting clear goals. Without a clear destination, it's easy to waste time on things that don't matter. Define what it is that you need to achieve, whether it's reaching a milestone or just improving on a skill. Once you have a defined goal, then it's easy for you to achieve it. Another point is prioritize your task using the 80-20 rule. So once you have clear goals, the next thing is to prioritize your task. So the 80-20 rule is a powerful rule that says that 80% of your results comes from 20% of your efforts. So you need to identify the task that will have the biggest impact and then focus on those tasks. The next point is break down your task and set deadlines. It's very easy to procrastinate when you have big projects that feels very overwhelming. But breaking down your task will help you to be able to achieve this in small bits. Set deadlines for each step that you need to take and make steady progress. The next one is use time blocks to schedule your day. So using time blocks is a very great way to navigate all the things that you have to do. Just create time, write down the times that you want to have things accomplished, and try to follow this. This helps you to stay focused on what you have to do and also to reduce fatigue when it comes to decision making. And my next point for you is to limit distractions and create boundaries. Distractions can easily derail your productivity. So if it's possible to put your phone on do not disturb, set some things in place that will ensure that you focus on that task that you really want to do. Otherwise, before you know it, the whole time is gone and you are not able to be productive at anything. So when you are focused, know in yourself that this is time to be productive and limit every form of distraction around you. Another point is taking regular breaks to recharge. So when you work non-stop, this can lead to burnout. So you want to take regular breaks in between what you are doing so that you can use that period to rest, recharge yourself, refuel yourself for the task that you have ahead. Even if your break time is 10 to 20 minutes every 4 hours or 5 hours, it will go a whole long way. The next point is reflect on your day and adjust when needed. So at the end of the day, take some minutes to reflect on what you have been able to achieve for the day. Reflect on what has worked for you and what did not work for you. Reflect on the distracting times. Reflect on everything that has happened revolved around your day, and then see what you can do better so that you can apply these things for the next day. This will go a whole long way to help you to use your time wisely. The next one is focus on one task at a time. I know that there are times where we want to do so many things at the same time, but I realize that focusing on one task at a particular time helps you to produce something quality than trying to do so many things at the same time. At the end of the day, you are not bringing out the best of yourself. So when you focus on a particular task at a particular time, it helps you to stay efficient and to also stay productive. So you are able to complete the task in time and also then move to the next one. Another point is embrace the power to say no. Not everything you say yes to. Whatever it is that would not make you to use your time effectively, say no to it. Don't take on too much task or too much things that would not help you to be productive. or that will lead to you burning out. Rather, say no to those things that you know will not help you and focus on those things that you actually need to do. Be selective with how you spend your time, and don't be afraid to say no to anything that does not align with your goals. Finally, practice gratitude for the time that you have. Be grateful for each day that you get to work on your goals. This mindset will help you to appreciate the present moment and also motivate you to use your time wisely. So to wrap up, using your time wisely is about setting goals, prioritizing your task, breaking them down into bits, scheduling effectively, limiting distractions, and being selective with your commitments. So when you manage your time very well, you are investing in your own growth and moving closer to your dreams. So if you haven't watched my video on 3 keys to personal development, please do well to watch that. And if you have found this video very helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tips on personal development, and until I see you in my next video, bye for now.